Often boxy buildings with high ceilings and big open spaces are a fantastic space to use Solatube International's tubular daylighting devices to bring natural daylight into these large open spaces. There's so many benefits to this space. Take a look at this video. If you have questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you with your projects.
Today's high-performance warehouses and manufacturing facilities need effective lighting for such large spaces. While traditional artificial lighting has been the staple in these high-bay spaces, there are many shortcomings. Daylighting is one approach that benefits facility performance, people's performance, and the overall health of the building. And no one does it better than Solatube International's tubular daylighting devices. These tubular daylighting devices efficiently deliver perfect, high-volume, broad-spectrum daylight into large spaces, such as warehouses and manufacturing facilities, and work with any roof type. Solatube prevents the negative impact of ultraviolet and infrared light frequencies by blocking them at the roof deck. Ultraviolet light damages interior finishes, artwork, clothing, and other surfaces. Infrared light brings in heat, which increases demand on the building's cooling system, and often creates hotspots for workers under traditional skylights. Ultimately, it's more of the light we need and less of what we don't. Solatube uses a non-metallized film on the interior of its tubes. The surface has the highest reflectivity on the market, and at 99.7% reflectivity, it not only delivers the most light, but also the highest quality light. Spectral reflexivity plays a key role in color rendition, meaning the reflective properties of the material affect the color of the light transferred through the tubing. Other products use metallic films on the interior surfaces. One common material is enhanced aluminum, which creates a greenish-blue hue to the emitted light, while light emitted from another common film, enhanced silver, appears yellowish-orange. These modifications to natural light affect the color rendition or appearance of the surroundings. However, the light transferred through non-metallized film tubing remains pure, resulting in true-to-life colors in the spaces below Solatube products. This color acuity helps employees avoid errors when working with products of similar colors or trying to match colors. The ability to read signs and instructions is also increased, further helping those working in these environments to better perform their job functions. In warehouse spaces, the Solatube SkyVault stands out as the perfect solution for high-bay applications, with its unique and customizable features and maximum daylight delivery. Although the difference in reflectance values appears subtle, the impact is compounded as daylight moves through the tubes, creating a significant effect on the light output of the system as the tube length increases. As the chart indicates, the tubing with non-metallized film has the highest light output at every tube length. Consider the light output at a 40-foot tube run. The tubular daylighting system with non-metallized film has a light output of 78%, while the enhanced silver only has a light output of 24%. No other product on the market can deliver what a Solatube daylighting system can. If you have any questions or are interested in building specs to include Solatube tubular daylighting in your warehouse design, contact NTX Building Products.